Missiles fly over Israel as sirens sound amid ongoing Iran-Israel conflict. Sirens blared across Israel, including in Jerusalem, early Thursday morning, June 19th, as missiles were seen streaking through the sky in a new wave of hostilities between Israel and Iran. The Israeli military confirmed that Iran had launched another missile attack, marking the sixth consecutive day of cross-border strikes between the two nations, according to reports. The first sirens went off at approximately 7:11 a.m. local time, 0411 GMT, followed by visible missile trails and several explosions. A second round of sirens sounded at 7:18 a.m. 0418 GMT, though no missile trails were seen during that alert. In response to the escalating threat, Israel's Home Front Command updated its defense policy, allowing small gatherings in workplaces to continue operating only if adequate shelters are nearby. Iranian state media also reported Thursday's missile launches, while Israeli outlets noted that at least 4 impact sites were confirmed following the attack.